Imagine starting your day with just 3 simple ingredients that could boost your digestion, fight inflammation, and even help you lose weight naturally. Turmeric, cinnamon, and methi, fenugreek powder, aren't just spices, they're ancient superfoods. In this video, we'll reveal why consuming these early in the morning can transform your health. Plus, we'll answer your most asked questions at the end. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this life-changing tip. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. Science behind turmeric, cinnamon, and methi. These 3 spices have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and regulates blood sugar levels. Methi powder, Fenugreek, is rich in fiber and compounds that aid digestion and hormonal balance. Combined, these spices create a powerhouse blend that supports multiple body functions. Why early morning consumption matters. Your body is most receptive in the morning after a night of fasting. This is when your digestive system is primed to absorb nutrients efficiently. Starting your day with turmeric, cinnamon, and methi powder can kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, set a healthy tone for the rest of your meals. Drink this mix on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Health benefits of turmeric in the morning. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. It reduces joint pain and swelling, supports heart health by improving blood circulation. It's also a natural detoxifier for your liver. Studies suggest it may boost brain function by improving memory and focus. How to use. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in warm water or milk. Add a pinch of black pepper for better absorption and drink it first thing in the morning. Health benefits of cinnamon in the morning. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, making it ideal for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. It fights free radicals with its high antioxidant content, keeping your cells healthy. Cinnamon also improves gut health by reducing harmful bacteria. How to use. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to warm water, tea, or your turmeric mix for a natural flavor boost. Health benefits of methi powder in the morning. Methi powder supports digestion by preventing bloating and acidity. It regulates hormonal balance, which is especially helpful for women. It also aids in weight loss by suppressing appetite and improving fat metabolism. How to use. Soak 1 teaspoon of methi seeds in water overnight, strain, and drink the water, or simply mix methi powder into your morning spice blend. The power of combining these 3 spices. Together, turmeric, cinnamon, and methi create a synergistic effect. Their combined benefits include lowering cholesterol levels, boosting immunity with antioxidants, improving skin health by reducing inflammation from within. The mix is simple to prepare and easy to include in your daily routine. How to prepare your morning drink. Here's a quick and easy recipe. Take 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of methi powder. Mix them in a glass of warm water. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for taste. Prepare the mix the night before to save time in the morning. Things to keep in mind. Start with small amounts if you're new to these spices to avoid stomach upset. If you're on medication, especially for blood thinning or diabetes, consult your doctor before starting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also seek medical advice. Answering your top questions about turmeric, cinnamon, and methi powder. Can I consume this mix at other times of the day? Yes, but mornings are ideal for maximum absorption and benefits. Can I replace one of the spices if I don't like the taste? Absolutely. Start with the ones you're comfortable with and add others gradually. How soon will I see results? Most people notice improvements in digestion and energy within a week, but long-term benefits take a few months. Can I use fresh ingredients instead of powders? Yes, fresh turmeric root and cinnamon sticks work well. Just grate or boil them in water. Is this drink safe for kids? Yes, in small amounts. Reduce the spice quantity and consult your pediatrician if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.